According to Cognitive Market Research, the global 3D printed solar energy trees market size is $1,251.2 million in 2023 and will expand at a compound annual growth rate of 22.5% from 2023 to 2030. Market drivers. Technological advancements in 3D printing and solar integration to propel market growth. Market restraints. Technological limitations to restrict market growth. Get to know about the competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more by requesting sample pages latest published market research copy.